This was in Dumaguete. Tapos yung subject ko was a small fish called a guppy. Tapos meron akong gustong concept na nag-yawn siya kasi may mga eggs. I think I waited 90 minutes to get that shot. So, sa buong 90 minutes, parang twice ko lang yata or 3 times ko lang siya nakuha na nag-yawn.
Okay.
Pero yung perfect na perfect was just one. So, luckily, nanalo yung photo na yon. So, that competition, I think, was my first Photographer of the Year award.
Wow!
So,
Congrats!
Grabe
Sige,
napaka
Gcash.
June 13.
Okay.
Tapos lang ng Independence Day.
Okay.
Happy Independence Day.
Happy Independence Day, guys. Hindi tayo nagpatehan na.
Oo nga, Happy Independence Day. Happy Independence Day.
Mabuhay ka.
Alam nyo, sabi nila, kung saan daw parang feeling mo sobrang malaya ka. Pagka nasa ilalim ka ng tubig.
Ay,
Wow.
ang ganda ng ano.
Big
Segue.
words, ah.
Ganda na segue.
Ganun
Ganda.
na. Pagka nasa ilalim ka ng tubig.
Mga
Kasi
3 days na
parang,
pre-practice yan bago kitawa.
kanina, ano kaya maganda?
Ah,
Kasi parang feeling mo, I'm so free, I'm so with the
Yeah.
nature, di ba?
Cool.
And yun na nga, yung guest natin ngayon, mabilis lang, no? Yung guest natin today
Papatagal
is,
yung program.
super excited for this. Like, ang tagal, pinag-usapan, ang daming caps lock.
Lagi kasing busy.
Hindi,
Lagi
hindi
kasing
naman,
busy.
hindi naman. Ang daming caps lock sa usapan kasi sobrang excited.
All
Ah,
caps.
of course, of course.
Huwag na natin patagalin,
Aha.
no? Mamaya yung underwater, mamaya babalikan natin yan. Pero, introduce na natin yung guest natin for today, none other than the head of digital office of RLC, Miss Luz. Let's go! Welcome.
Welcome.
Miss,
to-
miss?
Lose! Yeah.
Lose na lang. Lose or doozy.
Na-mention mo nga kanina, show mo to. Welcome to
Welcome
your
to my
show.
show.
Yeah.
Thank you for joining me today.
Thank you.
Yes.
Invited. Thank you for having us.
Ang ganda, very yung suot mo, very pang, pang
talk
host.
show.
Yeah, talk show.
Tony G.
Channeling
Tony G.
Tony Gonzaga. Minsan Boy Abunda.
Ayun ako. Sige, let's start. Dire-diretso na tayo sa topics.
Okay.
No? Siyempre, dadaanan natin kung yung mga background mo. And, lagi natin sinasabi, ito yung representative natin for the youth, si Pats, K-12.
Halata naman.
Ah.
Sa kanyang youthful glow.
K-12 to K-12.
Basta umabot sa K-12, youthful.
Yes,
K-12.
Yeah.
First batch.
First batch.
First batch.
Yes.
Anong year ka nag-college? 2000?
18.
2018 siya nag-college.
Nagtatrabaho.
Nagtatrabaho ka na.
Ano na tayo doon, stress na tayo at kumakayod na tayo nun.
Yeah.
Welcome
Manager
to
ka
the
na,
workforce.
manager ka na,
So
no?
much.
Welcome to the dark side.
For
Wala pa
sure,
lang
manager.
Ready na ang real world.
Yes.
Ready ka na sa real world.
Ready
Ay,
na.
dito matagal na siya na-immerse sa real world.
Yeah,
Matagal na.
matagal na rin.
Few years na rin. Sige, simulan na natin.
Sige, sige.
Naging interview ko eh.
Kinabahan ka na eh.
Na-drive ni Luz.
Galing ni Luz eh.
Si Luz yan.
Fifth host? Pwede ba?
Ano?
Fifth host.
Fifth host?
So, I think, interview ko to. Testing to.
Testing.
Simulan na natin.
Okay.
Simulan na natin. Luz, hello. Welcome to the show. Of course, bago sinisimulan namin to, of course, sa background ng guests namin. Kwento mo naman, what was your course in college? Saan ka nag-aral? Pwede ba yun?
Sponsor.
Pwede ba yun? Pwede.
Composure. Composure.
Nag-aral ako sa Ateneo. Nag-aral.
Nakakagat mo yung dila talaga.
Oo, talagang natural. Parang ganun.
Parehas pala kayo. Ateneo.
Yes.
So, nag-aral ako sa Ateneo.
Okay.
Sobrang layo ng course ko from my current role. So, I took up BS Management, major in Legal Management, and then nag-minor pa ako in Marketing. So, back then, clear naman, no? Hindi ko alam kung ano gusto kong gawin in life. But, dati, kala ko mag-law ko. Di ba parang nakwento ko sa'yo yun? Na parang, yung dad ko gusto niya mag-law ko. Kasi madaldal daw ako.
Parang hindi halata.
Na-take over ko na ito. So, after, nung college kasi, ang dami namin law courses, and then lahat mga friends ko nag-law school. Sabi ko, gusto ko maiba, ayokong mag-law. And then, yun, minor ako in marketing, and then I started working for a wedding invitation company.
Invitation?
Wedding invitation. So, design print siya. So, it's a printing press. They have so many different sub-companies, pero I focused mainly on the wedding invitation side of the business.
Wow.
Wala kaming for a few months yon. So
Pero like, you design it? The
we
invitation?
designed, we even made yung Chinese wedding invitations kasi I'm half Chinese. So
Right.
I would help them
Got it.
make those. We'd go to fairs. We'd
Oh, mga
help
bridal
them.
fair. Oh.
Yeah.
Was it a full-time job or was it
It was a full-time job for a couple of months. Yung mga 6
Medyo pasok
months.
sa marketing yun,
Oo. And I love weddings back then. So, talagang sabi ko, this is like,
Back then.
back then. No, kasi I'm married na.
Oh, okay.
So, talagang
Got it.
obsession ko yun.
Okay.
Kaya yun. And then, eventually, a friend of mine recruited me to join Robinson's Land. Kaya yun. That's I started out with a marketing role hanggang eventually, nag-move na ako across different business units.
Gets.
So, I started with homes, which is a residential group na
Horizontal,
subdivisions,
horizontal.
horizontal. And then, I moved to malls.
Vertical na kasi yun.
Ang
Multipurpose, hindi ko alam.
malls is
Malls.
shopping malls.
Yeah.
Robinson's Mall. So, in 2018, nagka-direction yung entire conglomerate to build up or beef up yung digital transformation group.
Okay.
And I think back then, I was a parang viable person within our business unit kasi nga I was handling digital marketing.
Right.
And I think I was one of the younger people who were kind of aggressive and like ready to jump into anything. Yung parang, okay, that's game. Let me learn and let me try. So that's the journey of how I got to my role na head ng digital office of RLC.
Wow. dami na ganun yung 2018 ako parang freshie.
Freshie ka. Lahat kami nagta-transition
Parang
ng
ganda
buhay.
kasi halos umikot ka rin pala dun sa iba't ibang role and at the
Oo.
same time iba-ibang experience din yun eh.
Pati communities. I think, lahat ng mga residential groups na ikutan.
Yeah. Yung in and outs, yun yung importante lagi.
Yeah.
Can you describe to us naman what your day-to-day is like sa RLC?
So day-to-day, mostly meeting with stakeholders.
Right.
Since we sit in a corporate unit, we
Uh-huh.
have to make sure that each business unit that we service is well taken care of. So, iba-iba yan from, again, I'm not just one person, we have a
Right.
team.
Mhm.
Kaya, each business unit would have their own representatives or digital group servicing them. So, I try to help where I can.
Got it.
Making sure nga na yung digital vision nila is translated properly into products ba yan,
Right.
whatever that they want to build.
Got it. So, I'm curious, Luz, no? Nung nag-aaral ka, legal management, tapos nag-marketing, tama ba? Minor na marketing.
Minor in marketing, yeah.
Ano yung na-apply mo now with your current role? Meron pa ba? May mga natira pa ba na natutunan ko to ng college? Now, I'm surprised na-apply ko pa din siya.
So, when we were starting with the digital transformation journey, sobrang importante yung being agile and having grit. Back in college, I remember, it wasn't so much about what I learned eh. It was about the values na natutunan ko along the way. And I remember na hindi naman talaga ako nag-focus solely on ACADS. I was also big on org work, on joining different orgs and meeting multiple people. And I think that was when I learned grit. Grit was parang buzzword yun eh, diba? Nung time natin.
Yung time,
So,
mayroon pang TED Talk na, kung naalala niyo, di ba?
si Angela Duckworth, yes.
Author, anyway.
Kasi parang yung grit, I think, you will only learn it when you experience it.
Yeah.
Na,
Ganda.
di ba?
Totoo,
Kasi
totoo.
minsan nababasa mo siya, what's
Theoretically, you know it, pero...
Magulat ka na lang, mukhang ito yung grit, ah.
correct.
Ito na pala yun.
Mag-umaga na, nagtatrabaho kagabi, mag-umaga, nagtatrabaho pa rin
Correct.
ako. Tapos
Not
nag-present
giving
ako.
up when you feel na, okay, this is so hard na. Kasi parang alam mong, whatever you're doing, it's meant for something better and bigger. And you don't stop until you've reached that point na alam mong, ito na yung ultimate goal. Regardless of pagod, regardless of so many things.
Yeah.
You give it not just your 100%, pero 110%. So I applied that sa work kasi I felt that a lot of my roles entailed learning new things.
On the go.
On the
Okay.
go. Kasi nga, given my background, hindi naman ako talaga exposed to, let's say, the technical aspect of being a digital transformation person.
Wala naman nun before eh.
Wala naman before.
Wala naman before.
So a lot of things you had to learn on your own. You had to read up a lot of things. You had to ask a lot of people na, okay, from your perspective and your experience, how you do this?
Actually, if I may share, JD, nung kasama ko si Luz, trivia yun, kasama ko si Luz before. So,
Saan tayo nagkasama?
na-earn ko talaga yung respect ni, na-earn ni Luz yung respect ko. Kasi,
Kala ko, na-earn ko talaga yung respect
Bakit?
niya. Sabi ko, sobrang yabang naman.
Hindi, sorry.
Okay.
Ba't yun yung gusto mo
Hindi,
i-highlight
kasi nagulat ako eh.
Sa show na to eh, no? Pinapayamo ko lagi dito eh. So, hindi, sobrang na-respect ko si Luz. Kasi, galing tayo sa startup eh. Alam naman natin na double hatting, triple hatting, so kailangan natin gawin yun. Yung support niya doon, na kung kunwari, hindi kami makatawid, wala tayong way, gagawa tayong tulay para makatawid tayo. So, yun yung kaya siguro na-emphasize din ni Luz yung grit. Kasi yun talaga yung kailangan minsan. Hindi, kahit walang framework, hindi pa kayong pa-polish yung process nyo. So long as may grit, nakakatawid talaga ng project.
Yun yung natutunan ko din na nung akala ko parang, pag naging manager ka or like you're put in a higher position ka, akala ko, more of the work is really managing people. Hindi ko na-realize na yung na-mention mo na it's really,
Solving problems for
exactly,
your team.
clearing the way para sa kanila talaga.
Correct.
Yeah, ang galing. Parang removing the blockers, etc. Ang galing.
And to add, dati, when naging manager ako, hindi ko alam na hindi ko pala kailangan alam lahat.
Yes.
Pinressure ko sarili ko noon na dapat alam mo every single task na kailangan na nahuhulog sa department niya. Dapat alam mo every single thing para ikaw yung magbibigay ng wisdom doon sa team. But I realized na totoo yung sasabi nila na you hire people who are better than you.
Yeah.
Kasi they will do most of the heavy lifting, but yun nga, you have to clear the road for them or make sure masusupport mo sila when they need it the most.
Yeah. Galing. Ganda ng mga sinabi mo. Yeah.
Cut nyo na lang kung
Hindi, pang shorts namin yan.
shorts.
Shifting gears a bit kasi sa work tayo. Punta naman tayo sa culture. If you would describe the makeup of the team, do you function more of like a group of friends, a family, or a professional sports team?
Aside doon sa choices, baka meron ka, how do you describe your team, no? Not necessarily with those three choices.
Okay. Kami, kasi yung team namin, marami sa kanila have been with the company for more than a decade. Can you imagine? So, meron dyan mga 10, 12, 14.
Kasi binuo yung team na within internal.
Yes, within internal teams, internal experts. Tapos parang yung mga experts na, for example, we have guys coming from IT role, nag-transition to digital office. So, honestly, ako personally, I feel na it's more of a family, meaning magkakapatid. Kasi, magkakapatid na friends. Kasi, as much as, diba you mentioned earlier about respect, ako, I respect yung kanya-kanyang journey ng team members namin at kanya-kanyang expertise na we have a chat group nga na every time merong question si person A from a different business unit, i-share niya sa group to consult everyone na, hindi ba sinasabi kapatid? Talaga we would ask each other openly without fear of judgment.
Pero in short, parang may brotherhood, sisterhood na gano'n.
Oo. Parang may kuya kasi siya.
Right. At saka sabihin ko sana, okay yung kapatid na friends kasi yung magkakamag-anak, hindi
nagkakaaway. Correct.
So,
kasi iba yung respect mo for, let's say, an older brother versus a friend.
Right, kasi parang may line of respect.
May line of respect.
Maganda yung sinabi mo, Luz, na nire-respect mo yung journey ng bawat isa. So not necessarily na kailangan boss mo siya or what. Pero nakita mo yung hardship yung journey niya, di ba?
Si Gia nga tawagan namin Atsi and kasi I'm older than her. So lagi magko-consult, and I think the fun part dito is we would talk to each other or consult each other about life in general. Kasi we would have teammates na, like for example si Gia, she's a mom. So kung nag-usap kami outside of work, ang pinag-usapan namin, kamusta yung mom journey mo, ano yung mga pinapanood mo ngayon. Yun, so holistic yung relationship ng team.
Yun yung sobrang kiniingitan ko eh. Like, yung sa mga kakilala ko. Kasi wife ko din, sobrang tagal na sa company. Ikaw, ang tagal na sa company. Talagang nakapag-build na ng professional relationships with sa same group of people.
Kasi hari, alam ko saan nakatira.
Baka may joke na joke. Yeah. Ang ganda. Pero ang ganda. Hindi kasi, sobrang, it takes courage na sabihin yun. Kasi may mga iba na ayaw mag-declare na parang family or what, na culture type. Sasabi nila allies, ganun. Pero ang ganda kung paano mo rin na-explain na kaya bakit ganun mo siya tinuturan.
Tsaka feeling ko, may effect din yun na when I started out in the company sa Robinson's Homes, talagang yung entire company, family, very familial yung turingan. So may mga quote-unquote kuya ako na nagtuturo sa akin how to do things. Kahit yung hindi ko sabihin siya. Pero basically, tinuturuan nila ako how to run, how to do my work. So eventually, yun, feel ko na bring namin yung ganong energy sa day-to-day namin.
I wish live recording to. Kasi feeling ko dahil nating internal jokes na sabi. Kanina pa tayo tumatawa. Anyway, sorry.
Hindi, nakarelate lang kasi parang when you said na, everyone has a journey and you respect that part. It doesn't matter kung bago ka or matagal ka na sa company. Kung may hindi ka alam, I'm there to support you. It's just very nice. Galing.
Ganda.
Away din. Pero
Normal yata.
Normal yung away.
Right. What about unique rituals or kind of like ceremonies in your company? Meron ba?
Share ko na lang sa amin, Luz, kasi may company kami before. Every 3 p.m., stop sa work,
Dadasal talaga.
magdadasal kami.
Akala ko Yossi.
Dadasal.
Kulang lang.
Okay.
Kasi malayo.
Ang ganda na.
Every 3 p.m. yun. Wala, yan talagang, di ba? Kahit anong ginagawa
Kahit
mo.
anong ginagawa
Ay, parang
mo.
may maisip akong isa.
Unless meeting with the client. Pero kung internal meeting, kakat mo pa na.
Punta tayo sa isang room, tapos pipray kayo lahat.
Ang ganda nun.
May naisip mo, sabi mo?
Sa amin, minsan sa sobrang busy namin, every Christmas, meron kaming one day na mag-gather kami for, kami lang with the kids of sila Aaron.
Sila yun.
Yun, so yung kids sila, baby sila, kakain kami anywhere. Tapos parang, unintentionally, laging Chinese food. So, since recently din typhoon kami. Pero, usually ganon. Tapos we get together, exchange gifts.
Every Christmas.
So far, yun yung parang naging namin.
Ano na lang? What do you love most about your job?
So, what I love most about my job is sobrang dami ko nakaka-interact at nakaka-engage na tao. Kasi nga, we're working with a different business unit. So, talagang we get to immerse ourselves in their different groups. We learn so much. Not just about yung digital transformation nila, but their operations, how they do marketing. Ang dami namin natutunan. So, I think that's what I love because I think I love learning through experience. Ako yung ganung tao. Kaya, every time I get exposed to something new, parang na-excite ako agad kasi hindi ako na-bored.
Right.
Next would be, there's just so many things happening in digital na hindi na Gen AIs. Baka nga hindi na.
Baka late na. Last year pa
yun.
yun.
Oo. So, sobrang dami nagbabago every single year na it's just so exciting.
Right.
At the same time, yun nga, you have to keep yourself informed and updated para hindi ka maiiwan.
I took this hindi naman I took this for granted. Parang nung pagpasok sa isang malaking conglomerate, sobrang akong nagulat how normal it is for some of the people there na ganun yung scope ng ginagawa nila.
Yeah.
So parang, how many millions yung ina-handle mo? So parang ganun eh. And then parang sa kanila, it's just a normal day-to-day operation for me. So parang hindi siya wala lang, sobrang galing lang na, shucks, may mga ganung tao pala na ganito yung scope nung ina-handle.
Mas malaki pa yung scope ng ibang tao.
Right.
Group. So,
and I feel like sa iba, nanonormalize lang yun pag sobrang nandun ka na. Pero parang fresh eyes coming to that environment. Parang, shucks. Tsaka lalo na tayo, parang galing startup, parang tuwan-tuwa na ako, nakahit kami ng 1 million. Tapos pagdating ko dito,
Funds lang namin.
Parang,
pero gets. Kasi nga, yung maganda, di ba, pag kunyari may ka-interact kang startup, may ka-interact kang long hauler.
Mm.
Kasi iba rin ang perspective ng
Yeah.
fresh,
Yeah.
sariwang,
Oo.
fresh meat sa company versus yung talagang alam mong na-immerse na ng matagal. At yung culture is different din. Kaya, yeah, I agree with you na sometimes nakaka-culture shock. Pero, ang ganda kasi, yun nga, natutunan mo yung learnings nila from, I mean, if you engage with them and you really sit down to listen to what they have to say, what they've learned through all those years, or sa kanya-kanyang experiences, ang dami mong matututunan na feel mo, hindi mo rin makukuha
Yeah.
agad-agad kung ikaw lang yung nag-traverse sa journey mo.
Yeah. Kaya yun yung parang sobrang nagalingan ako with the digital office. At least for
Yung JG.
Kasi parang pag-invite kami ng guest speakers from different industries, from
Yes.
different tapos parang makinig lang kayo. And then ito talaga parang hindi mo naman mararanasan yun eh. Iba yung sinasabi ng mga tao na yun in a public speaking engagement
Yeah.
versus pagka-candid you're just a group of people. So sobrang ang galing.
Intimate
Ang galing.
talaga.
Iba talaga.
So,
Baka isipin ng mga tao, ano ba to? Hindi ba sila nag-ayos ng gamit nila?
May nakakalat na.
May nakakalat na.
Nakakalat?
may nakakatakawon.
Klase yan.
Ano ba to? Ano ba to, Pats?
Actually, hindi ko rin alam eh.
Hindi ko rin alam.
Buksan na lang natin.
Ah,
Buksan na lang
buksan
natin.
natin.
So, ito kasi, di ba, dahil after hours, na-explore natin yung passions, multifacetedness of our guests.
Idiin ko lang dito makikita nila na after nung working hours, after nung ginagawa na sa career nila, meron pang buhay sa labas.
Yeah.
Pwede mo enjoy yung buhay mo. And yung mga bagay na yun, yung nakakatulong na hindi ka ma-burnout sa work. Diba? Yun yung nakakapagpa-recharge siya na gumising ulit ng another week na magtrabaho. Diba?
Especially sa road,
Kaya
diba?
nakikurious ako anong laman yan.
Ayan.
Kasi although, familiar.
Okay tayo. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah.
Wow!
So,
Dapat ba din namin
pwede.
Mabasag yung
Yan.
area.
Papers. Ano ko, haring agad pag may mababasa.
Sige nga.
Nilinis ko pa yung
Grabe yung mga...
Ano ba to?
Ano ba ba yan?
Ano ba to?
Ayan, actually importante yan. Pero kahit hindi pa yan. Sige, pwede mo siyang pull out.
Pakitan lang. Wag na natin lagay pa.
Kaya yata.
Yan na lang.
Mabigat eh, oh.
Yan na lang. Ayun, sige. Sige, ano ba to? Lose. Ano ba
So,
tong... Ano yun?
papatay na ako ng open water instructor ko. Ito, tawag dyan is BCD. Buoyancy Control Device ba yata?
Oh,
So, BCD.
Legit
Okay, legit yan. Kasi tawag dito regulator.
Okay.
Ginagawa ko na mali. Tapos alam mo naman kung ano yung trip.
Flippers.
This is fins.
Fins.
Pero, flippers pa rin. And then mask.
Okay. Shocks
So,
pagka legit ka pala mask yung tawag.
Mask
Hindi goggles,
yan.
no?
Hindi yung goggles. Kasi yung goggles, eyes lang.
Gets, mask
Whole
pala.
face
Okay.
siya.
Noted.
So, medyo obvious naman yung...
Okay.
Parang 4 picks, 1 word eh.
Yes, 4 picks, 1 word. So, ang aking hobby ay scuba diving.
Ooh.
But, hindi ko lang nadala. Pero, isa sa mga branches of scuba diving is underwater photography. Talaga.
So you're into that?
Yes.
Hindi mo na din, takot kang mawala.
Natakot ako. Ang mabigat. Kasi mabigat talaga yung mga gamit underwater pag sa
Right.
land. Pero pag
Right.
underwater, magaan na siya.
Yeah.
Okay, so ano nauna? Yung scuba diving, yung underwater photography, or just photography?
So, yung original kwento talaga kung paano ko napunta sa scuba diving is back 2010, baby ka pa.
10 years old.
Baby ka pa nun, I would go on a parang once a year annual vacation na mag-intro dive ako. When you do intro dive, as in yung magta-test ka lang.
Swimming pool.
Hindi, dagat pa rin.
Dagat talaga.
Pero mababaw lang.
Is it free diving?
No, with scuba gear.
With
So,
gear.
intro scuba diving. So, once a year lang ako nag-try nun. And then, the pandemic happened. And nagka-COVID ako agad 4 months into the pandemic.
Ang galing
So,
mo.
sabi ko,
Ang galing mo.
May number pa ba yun? May number pa?
oh,
May
yung
patient number?
original na variant. So, sabi ko, shucks, kung mamatay ako, knock on wood, that very week, di ba? Parang ang dami kong hindi nagawa. So, I wrote down a list of the different things I wanted to do. And one of those was, shoot a really good underwater photo.
Yeah.
Weird, no? Parang yun,
Galing.
nag-zero in ako doon na, not even scuba dive, as in, shoot an underwater photo.
Where did that come from?
I don't
Parang
know.
wala lang,
It just
out of the
popped
blue
out
lang.
of nowhere. I love taking photos. Hindi naman ako ganun
But
kagaling.
you thought of this while you were quarantined.
Quarantine.
Literally.
Yes.
Well.
So, naggawa akong game plan. I got LASIK kasi nga malabo mata ko sobra. So, paano ako makadive? I bought a camera. And then I got certified na open water
Within
scuba diving.
3
With a
months?
span of 3 months.
Ah, wild.
Almost
Okay.
Yeah.
This
So,
is,
after-
sorry, the license is different from PADI.
It's a PADI open
It's
water license.
Sorry, ano yung PADI?
Organization. Oh my God, mali pa sa
Professional
Aquatics.
Association of
Ah.
Divers.
Divers Incorporated. Google ko sa
Parang ganun. Sorry kung
pero
fake
parang
news
ganun.
yun.
Gets,
So,
gets.
oo.
It's a licensing body.
Yes.
Okay,
licensing
okay,
body.
Okay.
Org siya, parang siyang different groups na nagbibigay ng license.
Yeah.
Saan ka una nag-dive?
Anilaw.
Saan yung
Anilaw
Anilaw?
talaga. Anilaw is in Batangas.
Gets.
So, dati pre-pandemic, parang 1 hour and a half.
Kasi walang
Drive.
traffic.
Walang
Oo.
traffic. Dire-diretso lang. SLEX, Startle, tas doon ka na. Kaya ang daling puntahan.
So before, nung, let's say, after mo makuha yung license mo, Luz, gaano ka kadalas
Nag-dive.
Once a month lang dati, before my license.
before mo?
Pero after I got my license,
Weekly?
every month.
Every
Every month or twice.
Okay.
So talagang, admittedly, diyan ko binuhos yung aking hobby fund.
Gaano katagal yung ano mo nun? Yung as in yung actual dive. Sorry.
Yung actual dive varies eh. Kapag kunyari fun dive lang, which is like, magda-dive ka lang, wala kang shooting.
Okay.
30 minutes, 45 minutes.
Okay.
But now I can go as long as 2 hours. 120 minutes? Tama ba?
Wow. Yeah.
Oh, as,
120
as long as
minutes.
that. Mababaw lang kasi pag photography eh. So, you can go long and you can really stay for a while.
So talaga, oh wow. Okay.
Mababaw lang yung video.
Mababaw lang. Ito yung pinag-usapan namin eh, nung intro.
Oo.
Sabi ko, may
Mababaw
mga kinukwento siya,
lang.
tapos parang ako,
Kita mo pa yung...
nag-ano na ako.
Kita mo pa yung...
May kwento ka sa akin, sabi mo yung isang unique na ginagawa niyo.
Yes, ito obsession ko ngayon.
Mm.
Black water. Kaya, hindi ito nakakasagabal sa work eh. Kasi,
Ba't nang sinabi mong black tumingin ka kay Harry?
ay,
Hindi, okay lang.
naka-black kasi siya.
Got it.
Sige,
Navy
pahiya
blue
mo.
pala to.
Hindi,
Navy blue kasi to.
Saka pag tumingin
Pangalawa pa! Strike mo ka na!
Gusto ko.
Gusto mo? Okay lang. Okay lang. Okay lang.
Gusto ko yung ilagay
Yung
yan.
na-offend,
Hindi ako na-offend.
Hindi na-offend.
Ba't kayo ma-offend? Ako nga, di
Hindi na-offend. Hindi na-offend.
Diba?
Hindi na-offend.
Huwag kayo ma-offend para sa akin, di ako
Naka-black
na-offend.
kasi siya.
Hindi, kahit wala ito.
Ay. Oh,
Dark brown
ibig
water pala. Mud.
Muddy water.
Oh,
Hindi, kasi
okay.
pag black water, ano yan, you go sa resort ng... Hindi, wait. So, pag black water, what happens is, you ride a boat out to the middle of the ocean. Yan yung usually medyo deep na eh. Walang bottom, meaning wala siyang corals. Malalim talaga siya, 200 meters, 300 meters. Tapos, you
Malalim
wait
yun.
for it to get dark. Yung resort operators or yung guides, they drop a light up to, let's say, 20, 25, 30 meters. And then, you wait for a bit. Kasi when they turn on the lights, lumalapit yung mga planktons, lumalapit yung mga different little animals or yung mga shrimp.
Predators.
And then, dumadaan din doon yung mga...
Predators. Ano?
My God, ano word
Stingray.
yun? Hindi.
Jellyfish.
So, may mga jellyfish. Pero dumadaan yung mga pelagic.
Masyadong malalim.
Hindi
ko
ko
ba-
real. Akala ko kanina.
Akala may chance ako.
Wala.
So, pag nirop yung line,
Ano dyan sa pelagic?
maraming lalapit na different animals or marine creatures na normally hindi mo siya makikita during a regular time. Kasi sila yung, yun nga, nag-travel
Hindi
sa open
nocturnal.
water.
Iba pa yun sa nocturnal.
Iba, oo. It's talaga, they travel dun sa open water, sa ocean.
And this is at night.
This is at night.
Siguro kaya...
So, kaya ko siyang hanggang 12 midnight. Wala ako, nandun lang ako sa ilalim. Pitch black,
Gano'ng katagal yun?
an hour.
Pero, hindi to free dive.
Hindi to free dive. So, meron ka
Kasi
namang,
talagang
ito,
year ka.
this is connected to a tank. This is what you use to breathe air.
Right. Regulator.
Regulator, and you can check kung gaano kalalim yung, ay, kung gaano
Gaano
kalaming
tagal.
air.
Okay.
Gaano kalaming air. And then, this watch is actually for diving. Multi-sport siya, so pwede siya.
Pero Garmin.
Garmin, yes.
Not
Ano ba?
sponsored.
Not, Garmin,
Baka next
Descent.
Descent. Well,
Descent, MP3,
Descent.
yan.
Okay.
So, pwede siya for running, pwede siya for
Right.
diving. So, very crucial na itong watch. For depth, etc. But yeah.
Hindi ko lang kung naalala yung unang episode natin. With Tin. Abyss
Yeah.
episode, diba? May
Free
free
dives,
driver
diba?
naman yan.
Yun, Frida.
Sinabi ko, Thalassophobia. As in, Yung parang fear, wala ka nun? Wala ka nun parang, hindi mo
Pero
alam kung ano yung nandyan
wala.
sa...
Hindi lang ako marunong mag-swimming. So,
Wait, you can dive without learning how to swim.
well,
Somehow,
yes. Kasi you have naman the PCD.
Mm.
You're wearing a wetsuit, so that gives you a bit of
So,
buoyancy.
Pagka nagka-aberya,
No, you
Kasi
during your open,
may wetsuit ka naman
tsaka
kasi.
yung open water course naman, you're trained to never dive without a buddy. And all the basics, ituturo sa'yo eh. So, dapat alam mo talaga how to respond to situations like that. But you dive conservatively. Lagi kang, huwag kang lalalim masyado. Wala kang
Right.
gagawin na parang,
Maingat.
oo, maingat ka para hindi mangyari nga yung mga,
can you tell us yung first experience mo dun sa Blackwater dive? Like parang, ano yung
Sarap.
feeling mo? Sige nga.
muntik ako maiyak. Kasi, as a child,
Mhm.
so, muntik na ako maiyak kasi, nung bata ko, I've always wanted to be an astronaut. Sinabihan na ako ng nanay ko, walang pera dyan. So, wag kang mag-astronaut.
Parang may pera sa astronaut. Anyway, parang wala kayong pera doon, di ba?
Meron, di ba?
Oo.
Hindi, pero siguro back then, tinitaper lang yung
Gets,
expectations
gets,
ko na, hindi masyadong big ang...
Tsaka realistic. oo.
Realistically, hindi naman siya career path back then. So, pagbaba ko, the first time talaga, it was pitch black.
Mhm.
Tapos, you have a torch or a flashlight, tapos ipa-flash mo lang siya sa kawalan. Makikita mo lang yung flash nag-bounce sa mga maliliit na bagay. So, they look like stars.
Ooh.
Na parang, ang ganda.
Nilabutan.
Sobrang tahimik. Tayo nagaganahan siya kinakalimutan. Ang sobrang tahimik, wala kang ibang maririnig. Kundi yung parang, pag-breathe mo lang. And then yun, bigla kang makitang dumadaan na squid, or octopus, or nababy naman.
So, nagre-reflect na yung...
Nagre-reflect. So, sobrang sarap.
Relaxing.
Tapos naka-float ka lang, weightless ka lang sa ocean. So,
I feel like you've watched a lot of, yung mga
Jaws.
Jaws.
Definitely.
Alam mo ba, when you see a shark, masasayahan ka.
Parang no.
Kasi sobrang rare naman makakita ng shark.
Parang no.
Oh.
So,
Parang
basta,
hindi.
rare siya. Hindi mo siya laging makikita. Pero pag nakita siya, parang ang majestic nila. You just, wag mo lang sila ipaprovoke.
Yeah,
diba?
exactly.
Kaya mo yun, try mo.
Feeling ko madami pang hobby sa kalupaan na pwedeng itry.
May explore.
Minsan na yung i-entry ko kanina, kasi sabi ko, pagka ang sinasabi nila, well, I have tried scuba diving. So, pagka nag-scuba diving ka, parang iba na yung mundo. Nasa ibang planeta ka, parang ganun eh. So,
Totoo.
may mga hindi pa nga na-explore na underwater animals eh.
Correct.
Kaya
Best
guess ko
form of meditation. Talaga.
Before we go there, parang
Okay.
naging effect sa'yo. Craziest story. Craziest thing na nangyayari when you were diving.
Nagka-aberya na ba? Ever?
Oo.
Sa tank.
So, baka funniest na nga lang eh.
Sige,
So,
sige.
ito kasi, normally how you wear it is you bite down
Okay.
on it. Tapos,
Mhm.
so, nag-shoot ako nun. Tapos, kasama ko naman yung dive master ko. I think, pag turn ko, na-stuck yung host ko somewhere. Tapos, natanggal siya.
Okay.
So, ako parang, okay. But you have this, your octopus, na parang back up.
Okay.
So, pagkatanggal, kinuha ko yung octopus ko. Natanggal din siya. So, sabi ko, okay, wow!
Oo, ano gagawin, di ba?
So, wala. Buti na lang, kasama ko yung mga, yun nga, never dive without a buddy. So, I just got yung octopus.
Yung octopus
No.
niya,
Oo.
kasama niya.
Pero yun nga,
Bakit hindi mo na pwedeng isubo ulit yung natanggal?
yun nga, siguro
kasi ito
sa
mismo
panic
yung
ko,
natanggal. Yan mismo yung
ito,
natanggal.
pero technically, pwede mo siyang isubo eh.
Got it.
So, I guess, test yun of kung gaano ka kalmado underwater. Pero, yun, ever since, hindi na ako gumagamit ng generic na mouthpiece. Kasi, kailangan pala hulma siya sa
mouth
mouth.
mo,
Sa,
yeah.
sa ano.
Ganun.
Yung mga mouth guard.
Yeah.
Sinasawsaw siya sa mainit
Hot
na tubig.
water! Yes.
Dahil.
I used to do Muay Thai before.
Oh,
So,
yan.
binigyan ako ng
Yan,
mouth guard.
Hindi alam itong Muay Thai na to.
Oo.
Binigyan ako ng mouth
Halata
guard.
naman
Oo.
Kailangan, ibabad mo siya sa mainit na tubig. And
Para.
after a few minutes, subo mo siya for a few minutes ulit.
Parang
Parang
Magmumol siya sa teeth mo.
So, pag nakuha yung mud guard, plain
Yes.
lang.
Oo.
Parang ganito yung plate, tapos, or buong ganun. Tapos,
Yeah. So, hindi mo siya pwede
malleable
ramin
na siya.
also. Like, it's a personal thing.
yes. So, this
Right.
is a mold of my
Ever.
mouth.
Yeah. Oh, my mouth! Sige, you're, kanina, may touch upon, parang sabi mo, it's the greatest form of meditation.
Yes.
Ano ba yung nakuha mong iba from diving? Aside from, of course, gets naman natin, unwind,
Relax,
really escape,
yeah.
etc. Pero like, anything na, surprisingly, na-apply ko to sa work ko. Pwede namang wala, lose, kung wala naman.
I-apply. Kasi, for example, when we started photography na, no, we started joining competitions. At alam naman natin kung gaano ka-high stress ang mga competitions. Diba? Parang your photography underwater photo competition. So, you will be given X number of days, mga 3-4 days to shoot
ganun.
for different categories. Back then, talagang sobrang tense. Kasi parang you would need to find a subject na sobrang perfect shoot, tapos you would shoot it. May isang subject ako na, this was in Dumaguete. Tapos yung subject ko was a small fish called a guppy. Tapos meron akong gustong concept na nag-yawn siya kasi may mga eggs. Underwater, kala mo dali lang pa yon yung ano. No, but you have to wait so super long. So it took 2 dives. Tapos nakapwesto lang ako kasi syempre bawal mo naman siyang igalaw-galaw. So talagang you have to actually hindi, you have to float and wait. I think I waited 90 minutes to get that shot. So sa buong 90 minutes, parang twice ko lang yata or 3 times ko lang siya nakuha na nag-yawn.
Okay.
Pero yung perfect na perfect was just 1. So luckily nanalo yung photo na yon.
Okay,
But then nakalimutan ko na. Pero nanalo siya. So that competition I think was my first Photographer of the Year award.
Wow!
So,
Congrats!
Grabe dapat
Gcash.
Ang galing.
Yun, pero sobrang amazing kasi parang na-validate kayo na.
Right.
May purpose yung pagkabaliw mo sa, pagka-addict mo sa dive. So, ever since, siguro indirectly, natutuwa akong mag-shoot kasi pinapakita ko sa ibang tao na hindi nag-dive na, oh, this is what you see underwater. And then, hanggat sa nahila ko ng mga kapatid ko to try it out. People na ayaw talaga mag-dive. So, JD, mahihila kita somehow. Kasi iba talaga, tulad ng sinabi mo, di ba? Iba yung itsura ng underwater world. Sa land. At the same time, iba yung behavior ng mga animals underwater compared sa land.
Yeah.
Di ba may mga tao nga nag-birdwatching sila? So, yun yung, when I say meditation, it's not just aimlessly floating. My meditation is really watching the different marine animals do their thing, live their lives. Kasi parang they're so cute. But at the same time, they're so unique na you would see fishes living with shrimps.
Right.
Na, like, hindi mo siya matututunan in school. Hindi mo siya makikita anywhere else na living in, shucks, kanito ka yung word. Hindi. As in, nasa isang hole, tapos yung fish at shrimp nandun. Kasi yung fish yung tagabantay.
May ano sila, mutualism.
There you go. I was
College.
Grade 3 talaga.
Grade 3 ba yun?
Nakinig lang ako.
Yeah, mutualism.
Absent siya dun.
Anong percentage ng pagpunta mo yung sige, pupunta ako dito with the goal, pero ilang percentage yung parang hindi, enjoyin ko lang to. I'm not
I
here
think
to
naman
show.
every trip, I think now, I think most of my trips are dedicated na to practicing photography.
Okay.
Kasi parang, let's admit it, it's not a cheap hobby. So, we try to find a way to really maximize yung mga trips. Practicing different kinds of photos, yung styles, at the same time, yung testing out new equipment. Right. But most of the trips talaga are talagang super fun. Kasi nga, you see different things every single time.
Right.
So,
before lang, sorry. Tumatak sa akin, kung naalala niyo yung movie na Secret Life of Walter Mitty. So napunta siya nahanap niya yung hinahanap niyang tao. Tapos parang picturean niya yung White Mountain something. Something like that. Pero tapos tinanong niya, pero sobrang tumatak sa akin. Sabi nung photographer, which is played by Sean Penn, sabi niya, minsan, I just don't take the picture. Parang, it's just for me. May mga ganun ka pa.
Meron. So, I'm afraid of snakes.
Yung the coral snakes.
Yung snakes na banded.
Yes.
Kasi parang you'd hear of stories na sobra silang venomous yan. There was this one time na parang I was trying to take a photo and it was slithering doon sa corals. Nanood na lang ako. Kasi parang, sabi ko, something na I feared so much was a few, hindi nga feet as in inches away from me. But then it was so graceful.
Okay.
Parang yun nga, it always goes back to, I respect your journey. I'm sure na this snake... May callback. Eh, sabi ko, ang ganda nung...
Aahasin mo ko later on, pero gano'n ba yun? I respect your journey.
Hindi kasi parang, minsan kasi nakausap niyo yung mga animals na parang, hello, I'm here, but like, don't mind me. Like, minsan talaga kakaiba yung experience ng feel mo, nanonood ka sa how they live their life, how they hunt for their food, how they just try to live their lives na, actually, sarap ng buhay nila.
Parang
Na-realize ko.
hindi ko alam kung nag-tear-eyed ka doon or dahil malakas yung ilaw na.
Parang ang hindi siya relaxing for me eh. I wanted to say cathartic, pero parang inisip ko, paano ko siya i-explain? Kasi may mga moments talaga na parang, yun nga, mapapahinto
You're
ko na lang.
overwhelmed, gano'n.
Sobrang naka-overwhelming experience. At mag-thank you ka na lang na parang, shucks, thank you, Lord.
I can do this.
I can do this.
I can afford to do this.
And I can experience yung wonder ng
Na ginawa niya.
oo.
Yeah.
Ang ganda.
And parang kasing cathartic kasi parang you're overwhelmed with the grace, parang ganyan.
Yeah.
I can see that actually.
Oo. Ang
Very
galing.
valid din. Kasi, Luz, sa akin naman, nung magkasama pa tayo noon sa work before, lagi mo na siyang ginagawa eh. Oo, yun. Tapansin ko lang, mas madali mo ma-appreciate yung bagay-bagay kapag gusto mo na rin talaga yung ginagawa mo in the first place. Kasi, nung nag-add ka ng underwater photography, gusto mo na yung
Scuba
underwater.
diving.
Yeah, scuba diving.
Yeah.
So feeling ko ang dali na lang magdagdag ng mga ganun.
Yun na ba yung next step kapag nag-scuba dive ka? For a lot of people.
Ako personally, yes. Na, kahit hindi naman full out na big rig with the different lights and everything, you can just try it out with your GoPro,
Yeah.
diba? You can take memories and take videos. Lalo if you're into content creation, yun, maganda talaga siya. Kasi parang, it's a whole new world nga na
And tsaka hindi ba talagang world yung mapapakita
pwede
niya, ibang story talaga.
Pwede
diba?
kayong interview.
Yeah.
Very recently.
Trip to Anilao soon!
Yeah. And ngayon, marami ng different tools. So, meron na rin kaming na-try recently na housing for phones.
Okay.
So, yung name niya is Divevoke. But, iPhone, any phone can fit. May tray lang siya. So, you can use your phone underwater to take videos and store it. You don't have to invest. Or you don't have to buy the expensive camera.
Case na lang.
Oo.
Right. Galing.
Pwede yun, entry point mo. Tapos pag talagang tingin
Yes,
mo
pag
para sa
seryoso
yung
ka na.
Best dive spot in terms of sulit, sobrang ganda for you.
Ooh.
siguro ito yung go-to mo.
Go-to.
Ako talaga kasi go-to ko talaga Anilao.
Mm.
Especially for people living in Manila. Kasi parang, una sa lahat, ang bilis
Malapit.
puntahan.
Okay.
Next is, ang daming resorts na pwedeng mag-cater to both divers and non-divers alike. So, if you have friends or family na hindi nag-dive, you can just leave them sa resort.
Right.
So, ang go-to ko talaga Astri. Kasi yon very, nag-promote.
Okay lang.
So, may pool sila, meron silang different activities na pwedeng gawin ng non-divers. But kayo, hindi ka na napapakalaman, dive ka lang ng dive.
Yes.
Tapos sa Anilao, I think, sobrang seasoned ng dive guides or yung mga dive masters. Kasi again, when you dive, kailangan may kasama kang dive master. Sila, kabisado nila all the spots. You just tell them what you want to see, andun na yun. So, kompleto.
Kabisado
Black
na
water.
nila
Kabisado nila what to find where.
Right.
Black
Parang
water.
tour guide sa ilalim ng tubig, no?
Yes.
Galing.
Tsaka kasi season din.
Season.
Pero,
Same.
Luz, kunwari, kasi yan is malapit. Kunwari, ano yung spot na kung malapit lang, ito yung pupuntahan ko lagi.
Oh. Siguro
Great
ngayon,
Barrier Reef. Ganun ba yun?
sa Philippines tayo, syempre.
Okay, sige.
Kasi ang Philippines talaga is the center of the center ng biodiversity. So they're saying na parang a lot of the nudie branch, yung mga sea slugs underwater, dito sila nagme-mate sa Dito sila gumagawa ng mga baby. So nagkakaroon ng different varieties. So kung malapit, hindi rin ako masyadong lalayo, I think, sa Puerto Galera.
Talaga?
Okay.
Okay.
Maganda talaga.
Maganda talaga, as in, paano ko ba describe? Sobrang vibrant
Right.
ng corals, ang daming isda. Si Dory, ng Finding Nemo, doon ko lang siya nakita, sa Puerto Galera.
Wow.
Nakita ko lang yun nung...
Kita ko lang sa
Don
Ocean
Quixote.
Park.
Pero yun, in the wild, in the
eh.
wild, doon lang sila, wala masyado sa ibang places. Meron din tayong, paano ba sabihin? Oo. Hindi ako lalayo. Dito talaga. Galera and Anilao. two of the best for me. I mean, nag-dive na ako sa Japan.
Yeah.
Nag-dive na ako sa other parts of the Philippines. Pero ako personally talaga,
Yun yung favorite mo.
favorite ko
Yeah.
talaga.
Luz, if you may share, magkano inaabot ng mga equipment?
Tsaka
So-
ano yung unang bibilhin, no?
Oo. Ako personally, una mo talaga bibilhin mo din mask.
Okay.
And wetsuit. Kasi yan yung talagang nakadikit sa body mo eh. And syempre, may mga ibang tao umiihi sa wetsuit, di ba?
I didn't know.
Oo.
I didn't know that.
2 hours
Normal
din.
yata
2 hours
yun.
ka ba naman sa...
Oo. Di ba? So, talagang mas hygienic if you...
Nasa
Tuloy ko sa
magkano
video.
yun? Yung mask and the...
Maraming options eh. Pero you can get naman yung nasa 2,000, yung sa mask.
Decent na.
Decent. They can go to, for example, Pacifica in Makati. They have there yung mga high-end, at the same time, yung mga naka-sale na good quality mask. So, I got this on sale lang. I think, parang 2,000 ko lang ito na
Okay.
But this has been my mask for 2 years.
The longest time.
Hindi ko talaga siya pinapalitan. Kasi sobrang sarili
ROI
sa
na yun.
mukha.
ROI.
Oo. Tapos wala pa akong balak palitan.
Mhm.
Fins din, I think, one of the most important things na bibilhin. Kasi syempre, yun yung, again, lagi mong gagamitin. Lagi mong
Yes.
susuotin. This one, I got it from another store in Makati. Nautilus naman yung name yun.
Mhm.
Maalala yung price. Pero, hindi yan lalagpas sa 5,000 pesos.
Okay.
Tapos, yung BCD at Reg, ito, crucial to. Kasi syempre, dyan nakadepende yung buhay mo.
Oo nga naman. Yes.
So, this one, sa regulators, you can be smart about it. Kasi parang may mga tao naman na nagbebenta second hand.
Mhm.
Tapos you can have it serviced or
Refurbished.
refurbished. So, this one, I got it second hand. Luckily, yung taong unang gumamit, parang 4 times lang yung ginamit.
Wow.
So, I got it parang 30-something, 34.
Bad.
Mhm.
Not bad na. Tapos, ito na yung ever since kong ginagamit. This one, I got brand new, si BCD. Kalimutan ko rin, si mga 40. Around 40 yan.
Mahal yung hobby.
So,
Mahal,
bibili
mahal.
mo siya
One time lang.
in one go.
No naman, you don't have to. So, you can start with the basics na
Then you can
yung
rent
mask.
yung
Tapos,
iba.
you can rent kasi.
Yeah.
Yes, you're right.
Ah,
You can rent BCD and regulator. Pag talagang decidido ka na parang you're gonna do this at least once a month and just buy. It's cheaper sa
In the
long
long
run.
Ano yung nakaka-addict sa scuba diving? Kasi parang lahat ng halala ko, dive ulit. Kasi alam mo na,
Bukod sa...
hindi ko pa nakikita yung kabilang side. May ganun ba?
Oo, kasi nga it's different. Kahit na sa surface, pare-pareho yung itsura niya.
Mm.
Underwater, it's different. May iba't ibang kinds of dives. May drift dive na you ride Correct.
Hindi. Kala ko yung...
Ganun ka lang, lulutang ka lang, pero may current, so talagang you're gonna ride it.
As in yung parang sa Finding Nemo, ganun.
Oo, yung sa...
Oo.
Yung
Oo,
may- yung turtle sea.
Yes,
Oo.
ito yun. Sa galera, maraming ganun. Then, may mga wreck dives, may mga...
Right.
So, ang dami mo makikita. Tsaka siguro yung friendships that you build along the way. Yun yung... Kasi syempre, when you dive, you need to have parang a group.
May
with
community
you.
rin ba?
May community talaga. Sobrang okay ng dive community in the Philippines.
Right.
Kasi parang, yun nga, when we started joining competitions, nakikilala namin yung mga from Visayas, from Mindanao. Sobrang genuinely happy ng mga tao in the dive community. Siguro nga kasi parang,
Walang pumilit sa inyong
oo,
gawin to.
tsaka lahat sila equally passionate about their craft. So, very happy.
Ano yung last na, no? Before we go to dun sa mga picks, no? Ano yung usual pinagkukwentuhan nyo kapag boat na kayo, boat back to the shore after diving?
Depende. Kung kasama ko mga photographers, usually kung ano yung
Nag-share
nakuha.
ng ganun.
Oo,
Ah,
nag-share ng
okay.
pictures. Nagkukwentuhan kung ano yung mga nakita nilang kakaiba.
Mm.
Yung fun divers naman, yung experience nila. So, usually yung experience underwater. Tapos, sino naligaw.
May mga ganun.
Ako usually naliligaw ako eh. Pero may body man ako.
As in, makikita mo, wala na tayong kasama. Tayong dalawa na lang. Ganun.
Oo. Kaya importante talaga laging be attentive and dapat nakafocus ka lagi sa sino yung mga kasama mo underwater.
Sorry. Last na.
Okay.
I think, what's considered rare na makita underwater?
Ooh. Sa Blackwater or sa...
Kahit saan.
Kahit saan.
Basta yung parang,
Rare?
ako nakakita ko ng ano.
Mhm.
May ano dito.
Oh gosh, ang hirap.
Kumbaga sa trading cards.
Sharks!
baga. Sharks talaga.
So yung sharks, you usually go to certain places. Like si Cebu actually, may si Malapascua, they have sharks doon. So may specific places ka lang na pwede puntahan. Sa Anilao, siguro mga nursing or mga baby sharks meron. Pero yung big sharks, rare.
Oo,
So,
kasi feeling ko.
Oo, yung shark na may mahabang buntot, treasure shark, yun, sa Moalboal. Ay, Malapascua, erase. Sa
Malapascua.
Malapascua yun. So, talagang travel ka.
Well, sardine rin.
Sardine yan.
Ano, alam tong pelagic. Ano na.
Pero super rare.
Parang Pokemon.
No,
Parang
Kasi feeling ko may ganun talaga na, oy, dito tayo, meron dito.
Oo,
Baka
talaga
may
travel ka for different things.
Talaga. Kasi di ba parang sabi mo, parang bird watching na parang, shucks, minsan ko lang makita tong bird na to.
Yes.
Ang galing. Okay. Sige, so punta na tayo. So, before this happened, I asked Luz to share some pics na pinili niya.
yeah.
Handpick
Makikita pa
na.
dito. Nasaan dito yun?
Papakita natin mamaya to dito. Pero tayo, for us, makikita natin through this, through the laptop. So, Luz, alin yung gusto mong unang kwento? So, given the time, top 5 na lang. Top 5.
Top 3. Para mas
three.
mahirap
Top
piliin.
3. Yan, sige. Yung sa baba, ito, yan. So, ang daming shots.
What are we
na-
looking at
So,
here?
this is a frogfish. So, it's a
Fish
fish.
yan!
Fish yan.
Ah!
And then yung fish na yan, when you see that fish underwater, talagang they would use yung fin nila to walk.
Yan yun, yung ganyan.
Oo.
Ah.
Super cute. So, this one was this big. Tapos, naka-perch lang siya sa parang tube coral. Ang lakas ng agos niyan. Kaya, ito yung guide na kasama ko. Talagang inaagos na siya. Pero we wanted to get that specific shot na, yan yung composition.
Nakasama siya?
Yes. Nanalo to sa, recently na competition na best wide angle photo.
But kailangan kasama yung guide? Para kunyari siya yung kumukuha?
Oo, may drama. Kasi parang medyo blank
Ah.
pag blue lang yan.
At saka pag siya lang.
Oo. Parang may story na parang,
Parang,
this is
okay.
about a diver
Right.
who saw a frogfish
Ang galing ah.
was swimming
Ang galing ah.
with a light.
Right.
Yan.
Galing.
Tapos yung frogfish, anong kailangan mo dito?
Yan.
Yan. Yan.
Harap ako sa'yo.
Gabi ba?
Yan. No, daytime to.
Daytime.
Tapos, talagang underwater kasi medyo madilim pag Kaya,
Okay.
yan.
What
Favorite ko yan.
Ano pa?
Tapos,
Ako lang,
Top
pwede
two,
bang
top two.
Teka,
Sige.
Bago, ako sobra akong, nung nalaman ko dito.
yan.
Nakita ko yung pangalan,
Oo.
it's a freaking, addict ako sa
Octopus?
Discovery Channel, tsaka
Ay, oo.
National Geo, alam ko ng blue ring octopus. Ito yung isa
Yes.
sa mga pinaka-dangerous animal.
Yeah.
Na sobrang venomous siya, sobrang poisonous siya. So parang sabi ko, shucks, this
Meron.
blue ring octopus pala yung nakita ko. Yeah.
Yes. Maraming ganyan sa galera. Hindi ba marami, pero meron ganyan sa galera. So, nung weekend lang actually, nakakita yung instructor namin ng blue ring. Yan.
Maliit lang
Sobrang
yan,
liit lang yan.
Yeah.
Pero alam naman nila counter na yan siguro. Dahil mga season yun.
Feeling
Or wag mo lang siya i-provoke.
Oo, tsaka
Ay,
feeling
wag mo
ko
lang siya
yung,
papakagat.
yung hirap kaya madaling namamatay kasi malayo yung care.
Yes.
Kasi parang you're underwater, tapos bago ka makakuha ng care,
Patay
malayo.
ka.
Oo. So, ganun yung
Rest in peace ko.
gabi to.
Gabi yan. Night yan.
So, lahat ng mga black features, gabi yung...
No. So, iba naman is, depende lang kung paano may pupwesto yung light. Kung may hair light.
May hair light.
May hair light. Ito, gabi siya, pero yung light was parang sa taas na. Naka-smooth lang siya.
Okay. So, kasi may ilaw pa rin.
Yes.
Gets. Sorry, sige. So, what else?
Second.
Yan,
Galing,
ito yung sinasabi ko yata na...
Ito yung winning...
Yes,
oh!
yes.
Yan yung hipon.
Actually, ano siya, isda siya.
Si
So,
Goby.
Goby.
Ganda.
Tapos yun yung mga anak niya.
Ay,
Eggs.
Akala ko kanina, coral yun na gano'n. Hindi pala,
Ito
anak
So,
niya.
coral siya,
Yun.
parang siyang...
Yun, nagyon. Ito yun.
Nagyon siya, oo. So,
First look, akala ko hipon.
actually, mukha nga siyang bird eh.
Right. Dahil parang may beak, ano?
Oo, parang, alam ko nga, parang may eggs pa siya sa loob ng katawan niya.
Ganda.
So, yan yung winning shot mo.
Oo,
Ito
nanalo
yung-
to.
Ito yung nagpa-photography of the
year. Ay,
winning shot.
One of the set. Kasi parang
set kasi siya.
photo of the year, parang it's a portfolio of sorts. Ito,
Sobrang high
pinasok
quality,
siya sa,
no? Well.
sa marine behavior. Kasi nag-iwan siya.
Yun yung category.
Kapag
Marine
nag-yon
behavior.
siya, lumalabas yung babies.
Wala naman. Hindi naman.
Basta
Talagang
nag-iwan
nag-iwan
lang.
lang siya. Nagkataon lang.
Wow.
Kasi pinanood ko siya kasi sobrang bait niya na hindi niya ako pinapansin, nandun lang ako. Pero, yun, pag nag-flash yung light, gumagalaw siya minsan. Tapos doon, nag-yawn siya. Kasi sabi ko, cute to.
Pero yung babies,
Nag-yawn.
nasan talaga?
Itong mga little
Bisa
silver
nasan yan?
things.
Nandyan, nasa labas lang.
Sa labas lang. Yan, yung eyes na yan, no?
okay.
Yung mga silver na mukhang
Eyes
buttons.
na yun.
Eyes yan. Yes.
Nag-align lang siya.
Nag-align, oo.
Tinatawag niya na
Yes.
siguro,
Dapat
lunchtime!
tayo
Parang
ready.
Baka,
ganun.
hindi, feeling ko para sinabi, para sa'yo to.
Pila kayo.
Winning shot natin
Winning
to.
shot.
Winning shot natin to.
Or baka naiinis siya sa akin kasi sabi nila pag nag-yawn yung fish, minsan,
na-stress, parang sa
oo,
dogs. parang
annoyed
ganun.
sila,
Ah,
again.
Feeling ko antok lang naman.
Baka antok din siya, yes.
Oh, sige. Last.
Tapos, ano pa ba?
Galing, no? Ito yung
Yung
mga
number
sinasabi
Ano
mo
one.
yung
slugs,
set
no?
na sinasabi ko sa inyo na ito. Yan, magkakasama yan. Ito. Yan.
sige, daanan natin
Yung
to.
4.
Hindi,
Ano
JD,
naman
gusto
to?
mo
Yan,
lang
frogfish
number
naman
one.
yan na sobrang liit. Pero frogfish din yan. Yung
frogfish
kanina,
yan.
from a different
Malaki
angle.
naman yan.
Yun malaki yun. Ito maliit.
Parang hindi siya nasa tubig. No?
Oo
Kasi
nga.
black, no?
Yeah.
Ang galing.
Yan yung classic style of taking a photo kasi na black background. Kasi
Right.
nag-stand out yung subject. Pero,
Sea slug.
yes, it's called a nudie.
Nudie?
Nudie brown.
Etong
Tama ba yung
mga,
sinasabi ko?
etong mga nandito, ano niya yan? Like, part
Body
ng
niya yan. So, lahat yan. Yan, plus, ito, nudie yan, nudie to. Yun yung maganda. Kaya sobrang addict ako sa nudie when I started out. Kasi sobrang dami nilang colors, di ba bang families. Meron pa nga akong book that pala dinala ko yung book ko. May book ako ng nudie. Na before I dive, usually titingin
Tapos parang, oh shucks, ito yung nakita
Ito
ko.
yun.
Wild.
Tapos meron pa akong post-it. Ito nakita ko na to. Nakita ko na to. Yan.
So, hindi mo buksan.
Yan. Ito. Baka ito.
That's the number one.
So, hindi naman number 1. Pero one of my favorites. Kasi yan, it's called a mandarin fish. Every dusk time, nagme-mate sila. So, this was in Anilao.
Mhm.
So, mag-swim ka ng palubog na yung araw. Tapos yung mag-aabang ka lang doon with red lights. Kasi yung red light, hindi nakita ng fish, diba? Yun, fun fact.
Hindi ko alam yun.
Yun. So, itong dalawa, makikita mo na lang sila mag-swim.
Dalawa yan?
Dalawa yan. So, ito yung first, tapos ito yung second.
Yeah, ayun pa.
Yan.
Nakaharap
Oh,
yung,
kita.
naka-ganon. Okay.
Tapos, slowly, aakit sila, tapos parang medyo magdidikit sila. So, nagme-mate sila. Manood ka. So, maraming taong mahilig manood ng mating fish. Mating mandarin.
Sige, so, last. Ano yung
number one mo?
Number one mo. Ito, seahorse.
Ito na lang. Sige, ito na lang.
Ooh.
What's your number one?
Yan. Kasi,
Ay, ang ganda.
since addicted ako ngayon sa blackwater photography, hindi naman ako ang daming magagandang underwater photos. Yan yung Wonder Pose. The reason why memorable to sa akin is first time ko nag-blackwater, yan yung animal na nakita ko. Tapos na picture ko for the first time. Hindi yan yung photo na yun pero this was shot recently nga. Nanalo din siya. Best Blackwater photo.
Wow.
So, yung laging story, lagi kailangan manalo. Kailangan manalo. Pero, yun, memorable siya kasi parang sobrang sarap din ito panoorin pag nagda-dive. Kasi, ang dami niyang hands.
Ang galing.
Ang dami niyang, ang tsaka.
So, ko lang pakita yung iba, no? Habang nandito tayo. Ito, may, yung nakuha na niyo yung octopus
Yung
na.
octopus.
Nagtatago sa
Coconut.
shell.
Coconut. Ano kaya?
Tinatago niya yung shell na ganun. Sorry, hindi na.
Para gusto nila mag-post, no? Lahat sila gusto mag-post.
Ayan. Galing. Galing.
Sobrang, linaw.
Sobrang linaw. Oo nga
Pero
eh.
point and shoot lang yan. May mga tao pang mas, yung manisig yung mga open, hindi. May category ng underwater photography na medyo yung big camera na. Yung DSLR na sila.
Tapos sobrang mga
Grabe
maliliit.
yung sharpness na. Kaya naman, so with the point and shoot camera, kaya mo kunin yung maliliit. Pero yung ganong kalalaking camera, talaga sobrang iba yung quality lang.
This is a
This is-
mantis shrimp.
yes,
na-
with eggs.
With eggs. Okay, mantis shrimp. No.
Malakas sumuntok yan.
Ah,
Mas malakas
mga-
pa than Manny Pacquiao.
Nang bibreak sila ng mga shells
Yeah.
ng crabs, mga ganyan. Kahit pa ako,
Wow.
ang galing, no?
Dahil dyan, mag-dive ka na. Yun
Ang
yung
galing.
life goal ko siguro, no?
Ma-convince siya mag-dive.
Dapat mag-dive tayo kahit 1 weekend lang.
Ang dami ng aya. Ang dami na pong umaya. Meron, magko-crossfit na rin kami. Mag-bouldering. Madami na pong
Fun,
maaya na
fun
lakad.
kwento yung dive group ko, randomly on a boat, sinabi namin na, tara, mag-Spartan.
Yeah, Spartan race.
Kaya recently, sumali kami ng Spartan sprint. Kasi
Baka
nga,
doon na
parang-
lang sumama.
Yan,
Doon
yan.
pa ako sa
So, simula tayo sa Spartan, tapos bilang, oh, ka na, scuba diving na tayo.
Strict sea.
Pampanga, sa Montclair.
Spartan.
Gano'ng kalayo? 5K?
5K.
5K lang, hindi naman.
With the obstacles.
Kaya natin yan.
Kayang-kaya.
Yan ang mix.
Oo.
Doon na lang muna kami sa Spartan.
Doon muna kami.
Wala pa kasi
Tapos diretso
ito,
sa-
wala pa
Sa murang S muna.
I-rent natin.
Yun lang yung kaya eh.
Yun lang
I-rent
kaya.
Tumakbo lang.
natin.
Ang galing, actually, nakaka-race news. Kaya, kahit yata wala yung award, yung kuha
Yeah.
mismo, ganda.
Yeah, sobrang ganda. Luz. And doon, yun papakita natin dito sa baba, like yung mga shots mo.
So no wonder
Sobrang
kung ba't parang na, parang
Naka-
moving.
Yeah, we get it, di ba? We get
Yeah,
it.
we
Bakit?
get it.
Sobrang passionate mo sa hobby mo. Sobrang galing eh.
And parang feeling ko, ang saya na, nakulang ko eh. Parang may ganung,
Yung mabilis na part lang doon, JD, kung ma-recall mo, nung nasa dati, sabi ko company, nasa first company natin, di ba, umakit tayo ng bundok. So, ang lagi natin sinasabi, pag nasa taas ka na kasi, mas ma-appreciate mo dahil pinaghirapan mo. Tapos bihira mo makita.
Totoo.
Feeling ko ganun din yung sa akin.
Yeah.
pero mo 90 minutes na. So, galing.
Diba?
Congrats.
And thank you. Thank you for showing
sharing
us.
that.
Yeah.
Oh,
Yung photos.
grabe.
Tara na.
Yun pala. Yun pala
Yun yung goal eh. Mag-recruit ako ng 3 driver.
Ay, nako. May sinulat ka kanina, Luz. Advice to someone who's just starting out. Can you share it? Bakit yun yung sinulat?
So, yung sinulat ko, when it's scary to jump, then that's when you jump. Kasi I feel, ano siya, it was advice na I hope na narinig ko when I was starting out in my career and when I started scuba diving. Na-relate ko silang dalawa. Kasi may mga times talaga na parang, admittedly, change is super hard, but change is the only constant thing in our lives, right? So, minsan, you just need it. Some of us would need that extra push. Pero what if may times na wala naman magpo-push sa'yo to do it? So it happened to me when I transitioned into this new job na I think twice or thrice ko yata siyang pinag-isipan ng mabuti, and I think I said no a couple of times. But dumating sa point na sinabi ko na wala naman mawawala sa akin. I have so much to gain kasi nga ang dami ko matututunan sa experience. At the same time, I have a strong support system sa work. Thank you, JGDTO.
Hindi na mo ako.
But you were part of
Okay.
it. So, I felt na sometimes hugutin na lang natin yung lakas ng loob.
Right.
And let's do it. So, same with diving, kasi may skill na kailangan matutunan na you have to jump in the water and wear your gear sa water. And for someone na hindi marunong lumangoy, syempre,
Jump ka na lang.
nakakakaba yun, di ba? But after I did it, na-realize ko na it got me to where I am now. Na halos hindi mo na nga ako mapaahon sa water minsan. So sometimes, yung toughest part of the entire journey will lead you to the most beautiful destination. Kaya parang just do it. You know, regret is something naman na you can manage later on. Kasi you know, everything happens for a really good reason. Kaya just find out what that reason is. If it's to learn a lesson or to earn something, then life is short, do it.
Galing.
Parang galing talaga siya kay Luz.
Galing.
Totoo.
Solid.
Kasi example may tawag dito, may idea. Tapos nakita niya, kahit konting percentage na kaya to eh. Let's do it!
Let's try.
So, which is good. Yeah, ganda. And to add, alam mo kung saan namamatay yung pangarap ng isang tao. Nasa planning stage na.
Yeah.
So, minsan, yun yung planning phase, yun yung nakakasira ng pangarap.
Kasi
Kaya
pwede ka naman mag-learn,
Yeah,
learn
alam
as you
na.
go.
Exactly.
Natama ka ba doon?
Ay!
Parang tumahimik ka bigla. Parang in-internalize mo yung...
Kaya naman, mag-uusap ako.
Oh, yeah. Learn as you go. Tsaka walang perfect na tao. Yung pinakamagaling in the companies, yung mga work idols natin, lahat sila nag-start as someone who started out knowing siguro the basics.
Yeah.
And then they just learned along the way. So everything, meron din akong work idol na sinabi niya, everything is figure-outable. Nag-stick din sa akin yun.
Lessons.
Grabe yung mga lessons, patama.
Yan! More than lesson, patama talaga siya.
Last part
Last part.
Okay,
of the
okay.
show, we ask lahat ng mga ginigas namin dito.
Ito yung parang slam book questions namin.
Yes. Rapid fire questions.
Ready ka na?
Okay.
Super quick lang naman. We have 5 questions.
Can give a brief explanation.
Explanation,
Okay.
yes. So, are you ready?
Yes!
First question, magkano ang unang sahod mo?
Ay,
At saan
sabi-
napunta?
Proud talaga ako dito. Nag-start out para 12,000 lang yata yung sweldo ko.
Mm.
And then they would give it in an envelope.
Sa
Napunta-
invitation, sa wedding
Oo.
invitation.
Kasi parang, surreal siya for anyone
Yeah.
who started
Yeah.
working.
Nauna akong kumita.
Yan
Like
lang sa
freedom.
inyo, hindi
Yeah.
naiikot ang pera. So, binigay ko sa mami ko. Or binigay ko. Kasi, okay, sorry for this, pero may allowance ako nung nag-work ako. Kasi, naawa yung nanay ko sa akin na nagko-commute ako. Sabi niya, so, sabi ko, ma, binabalik ko na sa'yo.
You don't have to say sorry if you have the privilege. Wala namang may kasalanan doon.
Tsaka wala ka naman.
Na-maximize mo.
Tsaka paano ka pupunta
Yun,
sa
na-maximize
trabaho
mo.
kung wala kang
Na-maximize
allowance?
mo lang yun.
Oo.
Kasi kahit ako nung nag-start ako hindi naman.
Hingi ka naman ng baon.
Hingi ka talaga.
Wala
diba?
pa po ako sweldo.
Oo.
May trabaho ka na. First day pa lang
Oo.
ako. Diba? Wala
Pero,
akong-
pero gano'n din ako, no? Sahod,
Oo.
binigay ko.
Oo.
Oo.
Nag-remit.
Nag-remit to, oo.
Ako
Tsaka ang sarap
nalibre
sa
lang.
pakiramdam na, shucks, dati ako yung humingi ngayon. Parang, yun. Yun, naalala ko yun.
Alright, second question. Magkano ang ideal na sahod sa current economy ng Philippines?
For someone starting out. For them to try.
Ideal,
For an
ideal.
entry-level
Mm.
salary.
Shucks. I would say siguro 40 is too high.
No,
So
yeah,
back
sure,
back
yeah.
when I was starting out, parang sabi namin, yan yung the range would be around 30 to 40 for someone who's starting out. Para at least meron din siyang leeway for other things in life. Kasi ang hirap na ng, okay, in this economy,
Yeah.
ang hirap, ang 10,000 mo sa grocery, ang konti lang na
Realistic.
items na mabibili mo eh. So, yeah, I think yung range na yon. Tapos, given the workload siguro na
Yeah.
kaya niya i-manage and yun.
Mataas.
Mataas na!
Ako, pili ko pang try.
No, like, compared sa mga ibang...
Tried.
Oo, pang
Compared
try.
sa ibang mga natanong namin.
Or baka depende rin sa
The
industry.
feeling ko hindi na dinidisclose.
Depende. Oo.
Hindi, nung nagano tayo, make sense tayo, di ba?
Yeah.
Compared doon, mataas siya. Which is,
Oh.
dapat lang. Diba?
Baka depende nga sa industry.
Depende sa industry.
perspective
Depende sa industry,
kasi
yeah.
sa malaking ganito, di ba? So,
Yes.
depende.
Yes.
Oh, pwede rin mo maliit para sa iba, di ba?
Oo.
So,
Correct.
alright. Thank you for that. Question number 3, on-site or work from home?
Hindi pala both.
Hybrid.
Hybrid talaga.
Ilang
So,
Kasi,
ilang days? Yung
3 off, 3 to 2. Like, doon na ako
Okay.
nag-range. Kasi, iba yung interaction when you're on-site. But at the same time, I find it easier to do deep work when I'm off-site. Kasi extrovert ako. So, like ko naman na-explain sa mga tao sa office na when open layout yung office namin, so when I hear someone nearby talking about something like work issue or non-work issue na feel ko makaka-chime in ako, talagang hindi ko ito pipigilan. Mag-chime in ako. Guys, let's have a meeting.
Sama niyo ako?
Isama niyo ako.
Alam ko yan.
Guys, may value akong ma-add. yung chismis about that. Pero yun, so, deep work, nagagawa ko siya pag nasa isolated space ako sa bahay. Kasi, ang dami kong nagagawa na naka-focus lang ako doon. Yan, deep work.
Okay.
Got it. Hybrid.
Edit
Alright.
na lang. Hybrid.
Alright. Question number 4, working abroad or working here in the Philippines?
Oo. Depends. Personally ito, di ba?
Yeah.
Ako, Philippines. So, ako personally, it's really
Stay here.
stay here and contribute to your country. Kasi parang the other industries na are like healthcare, they're experiencing brain drain. Yung mga work naman natin, kaya natin gawin here. I mean, if you're fortunate enough to find a job na you love, that pays well, at the same time, you get to stay here with your family and appreciate
It contributes
it contributes to nation building.
stay here in the Philippines.
Stay here. Iba pa rin ang Philippines talaga.
Of course.
And, sorry, I'll add this na lang pala. Iba talaga magtrabaho ang Pinoy.
Yeah.
I've experienced working with other nationalities. At the same time, may friends ako na nag-migrate na they would really say na one of the things that they miss the most is working with fellow Filipinos. Iba yung how matyaga and may
Grit.
grit talaga is
Resilience.
consistent eh.
Resilient.
We're very resilient. At the same time, may malasakit tayo.
Mm.
With not just our work, but with our
The
workmates.
colleagues.
Iba yung pakikisama,
Pakikitungo.
ng Pinoy.
Okay,
Last
Luz.
question.
Last question. What is the best part of your job?
So best part of my job is yun, nakikita mo immediately yung impact ng mga ginagawa mo to the people that you deal with or the customers that you serve. So dati siguro sa marketing, syempre, 'di ba, medyo iba yung you get them to buy things, for example. But now it's really how can I make your lives better and
ganda.
easier?
Yeah.
How can I make your work easy enough for you to do na you can focus on other things in life.
The
So,
important things.
yeah, I think yun.
Thanks for that, Luz.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much,
Thank you
Luz.
so much, Luz.
Take us home, Pats. Take us home.
Last, anything else to say? Last words before we end the show? Where
May
can they
mga
reach you?
opening ba kayo want them to
Hiring ba kayo? Anything you wanna announce?
Yes.
Your hobbies? Baka may share ka.
So, may opening kami.
It's
May opening kami for different roles. Product managers, project managers. Just reach me. I'll give my email.
Yes, sa baba.
Yes. So you can just send your resume. Talagang nakatingin sa.
Yeah.
So, and with diving, if you want to try scuba diving, just email me also. I can find a way to arrange it for you. But yeah, yun na.
Product managers, guys.
Yeah.
Come on.
Product managers.
Scuba diving. Wala ba kayong
Tabi
parang
niyo.
scuba diving group? Ganun?
Sa RL, wala pa.
Hindi, I mean, parang wala kang hindi ka part ng scuba diving group or something.
Part naman, pero
In closed group eh. Hindi pwedeng, sali ka dyan.
pwede.
Pwede.
Wanna give
Pero
them a
kailangan
shoutout?
open water ka na.
No,
Ganun.
wanna give them a
Shout
shoutout,
out
yeah.
sa The Lucky Team.
The Lucky
Team.
Team.
Yan yung mga lagi kong kasama, ka-addict ko sa scuba dive.
Alright. And
So,
with that, I guess-
anything na pwede pa namin abangan sa'yo, like the contest,
Oh,
or
may
baka may
sarili
ganun.
contest.
So,
Oh.
you want
Pwede, saan ba nila pwede makita yung photos?
Yes,
Oh, yes!
yes,
So, they can check out my Instagram.
Ah,
Talaga nag-promote.
Put it there. We'll
And
put it there.
stay tuned sa show ko kasi so sa Instagram yan. So yan yung mga underwater photos. And yan yung may mga trips you can just chat me.
Right.
Sama kayo sa mga dive trips.
Yo.
Yeah.
Thank you so much
Thank you so much,
again.
Luz.
Yeah.
Salamat.
Luz, so
Dami namin
much.
natutunan.
Salamat. Yeah.
At dahil dyan, sa
Feeling ko may
natin.
round 2 pa to, tapos may ibang discussion tayo.
Yung round 2 nito saan nilaw na?
Yan! On the boat. Si JD nakalutang-lutang. Oh,
Alright. May
yun yung
floaters
kapalit.
Thank you, Luz.
Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
Luz.